Converting box into a stationary organizer. Measurements. Fix it with a piece of box strip and glue it. Join 25 centimeters x 32 centimeters with 30 centimeters x 20 centimeters. Join 25 centimeters x 20 centimeters to two sides of the box. Join 20 centimeters, 10.5 centimeters on both sides of the box. Join 9.2 centimeters x 9.5 centimeters to complete the drawers. Attach 3 sticks to the sides of the box to support the shelf. Like, share, and subscribe. Here I change the color. Now put 20 centimeters x 30 centimeters shelf on the sticks and glue it. 20 centimeters, 12.5 centimeters in the middle and 15 centimeters, 11 centimeters like this. Make 2 of 15 centimeters, 12 centimeters, and join it to the front. The final result is awesome. It have a huge space, perfect for your stationery. Recreate it and let me know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe.